Okay, so this morning I'm here in an area of Redding called Pancake Hill. It's up here in Shasta Lake, and we're going to be working on a retaining wall for our boss. Adam, one of our other managers, has been working on it for a little bit. So I've come up to give him a hand. This is what we've got so far. You see, this retaining wall is built out of railroad ties or spare boards, and it's to go all the way along the fence line, all the way down through here. So we will be putting it on the concrete here, and then attaching these supports for the overhang to the wall. So we'll see how this turns out. Okay, so what we had to do is tear this wall back down so we can anchor everything in. And then we're going to come across here and carry it all the way down 5 high so that they can put in this new retaining wall.